Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's cool right here, and basically what these are is a reusable gel ice pack that you can use for cooling down, or if you guys injure yourself, you can definitely use it in that situation. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what's included inside. So there's definitely a bunch of ice packs inside right here, and they're all in different shape. But let me actually take out all of them to show you guys what actually looks like first. So right here, they provide you guys two of these circle ones right here. And then next to right here, they provide you guys two of these small ones. And then last but not least, they provide you guys two of these big ones right here. And for the big ones right here in the back, they do have this little strap option if you guys want to strap it in your hand or something. So maybe if you guys want to put your hands through here like this and put it against your face like that, you can definitely use it in that situation if you guys want to. But the cool thing about these is the fact that not only can you guys use it as an ice pack, but you can definitely use it as a heat pad as well. So if you guys want to get like heat therapy, you can definitely use this for heat therapy as well. And since the product uses these little gels inside, it actually stays cooler for a longer period of time. And obviously for these products, they are reusable, so if you guys want to use it over and over, you definitely can. And the way how to design the product and the material that you use on here, it is waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it should be fine. So if you guys want to use the cooling option, you guys want to put it in the freezer or refrigerator. But if you guys want to use the heat therapy option, you can definitely throw this into the microwave. But regardless of which way you guys plan on using it, I do recommend that you guys put it into a bag if you guys put it in the refrigerator, and if you guys use it in the microwave, you probably want to put this on a plate to keep everything clean. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let's actually go test this out to see how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we'll throw this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then we'll test it out. What they recommend is that if you guys want to put this onto like a towel or something and wrap it, so that way when you guys use the product, it won't burn the plastic material that they have right here. Alright, so the product is done. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's check out the temperature on here. You can definitely see the product is super hot compared to before. So we have the ice pack right here in the original temperature right here. If you can see, it's at 74 degrees compared to this one right here is around 130. And when you guys feel it, it definitely feels really hot. So you can definitely use it as a heat therapy if you guys want to. Alright, so I'll leave this in the freezer for around 20 or 30 minutes and come back and check on it. Alright, so we just got the ice pack out of the freezer. So let's take it out and see how it works. So right now you can see there's definitely like a lot of fog or something on here. But let's check out the temperature on here to show you guys how cold it is. Alright, so you can see that the actual product is super cold. It's around 42 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's definitely much colder than the original temperature, which was around like 75 degrees Fahrenheit or somewhere around that range. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it actually does work actually quite well. Super easy to use. I really like the option of how they provide you guys so many of these ice packs that you can also use as a heat therapy as well. But it's definitely really cool how they provide you guys all these different shapes to use. So that way if you guys want to use like the big one for heat therapy, you can definitely use a small one for cold therapy. But you can see from the test, you can definitely see the actual product definitely does work, and it definitely gives you guys a fast result as well. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to use either one of the therapy that I mentioned earlier, such as the cold therapy or the heat therapy. If you guys want to use both or either one, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.